Hi guys, Joy here. Today I want to do a quick apartment tour because today I finally got rid of my mattress. I've been wanting to try furniture-free living for a very long time, and as a Korean girl who grew up in Korea until I was about 14 and currently living in Korea, it's actually not that uncommon or unusual to live without a bed and things like this. But by any standard, I believe I am pretty extreme when it comes to minimalism. I just want to be clear that I am doing minimalism not because I hate stuff and that I hate money and I hate material things. On the contrary, I love money, I love talking about money, I love saving money, making money. That's all I think about all the time because I think it gives me so much freedom. And freedom is essentially the main reason why I love minimalism, because instead of being tied down by all the decisions as to what I'm supposed to wear and all the effort that goes behind lugging around heavy furnitures whenever I need to move, or having to organize items and things like that, those are just something that I don't think is worth my time or my energy or my emotions, to be honest. So I am doing minimalism because I believe there are other things and missions and goals that require more of my love and attention and energy. So this is why I'm a minimalist, and anyone who knows me and who's been to my apartment will tell you that yeah, this is really how I've been living for a while. So anyway, I'm really excited to give you a tour of my apartment. And another thing that I want to mention before I start the tour is that I finally adopted a plant, and his name is Joe. So we'll start off by showing him, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's get started. So first things first, here's my cactus Joe. He reminds me of Texas, which I love and I consider as my second home. I got him for about 20 bucks, and in Korea we call these type of plants 만세 선인장. 선인장 means cactus, 만세 means like where you put up your arms to say hooray and things like that. So it's quite cute. I'm leaving him by the window because the lady who was selling him told me that he needs plenty of sunlight. He doesn't need a lot of water. So it's a very low maintenance plant, but I'm actually terrified of killing him. So I think I've always been so terrified of hurting or killing plants and animals that's under my responsibility. So I was kind of, I guess you could say, scared of commitment, but here he is, and I'm very happy. So we'll go through from the entryway. So here are my 2 out of 3 shoes. A little disclaimer, I did have some nice boots this winter, but it was falling apart a little bit. And I figure next winter I'm going to buy boots anyway if I need to. So I have no problem spending money for items that I want. But yeah, I just don't like lugging them around, so I don't have the energy or the strength for that. So there's some stuff that came with the house. It's not really my possession. There's a cleaning fabric thing, and there's my cleaning stick that I use. It's my only cleaning gear because I had a vacuum cleaner that was a gift to me when I started university from my parents, but I got rid of it because I rarely use it. There's me with my one of very few outfits. And there's my eye mask because I got rid of my curtains, so I'm gonna wash this iPad. It works just as fine as curtains for performing the light blocking abilities. I'm opening all my cabinets to show you that this is literally how I have been living, and I really don't have any other stuff in these cabinets. Up here there's nothing. One thing I learned throughout minimalism is that it's okay to leave some spaces empty, which wasn't always easy for me. I thought I do have to put things away in certain cabinets, and it felt weird leaving some of them empty, but yeah, it's completely fine. Here's some plastic rolls. I've had this forever. It's not very sustainable or good for the environment or whatever, but I have it and it's like multi-purpose. I can put some food items in there. I could put my smaller trash in there, so it's quite useful. I'm gonna try and use it and maybe come up with a better solution in the future. So I don't exactly want to be wasteful, but also I don't want to be bothered with it at the moment, so I'm gonna use that up. Here's my only pair of scissors. I also use it for stationaries. It might sound gross, but I literally never have anything to cut with it except for like tape, paper, and some veggies or plastic bag or whatever. It's my foldable knife. There's my lid for my only cup, I guess, slash tumbler. And here's a little pouch. I kept the pouch because it's just easy to store things in here. And here are my foldable fork and spoon. And continuing on in my kitchen, you could say, there's my dish soap. I will eventually replace all my soaps with this multi-purpose soap that I got called Dr. Bronner's soap. And apparently I could wash my hair, wash my face, wash my dishes, do my laundry, and even brush my teeth with it. So I actually bought the soap, but I'm trying to use up what I already have slowly, so I'm not being wasteful or anything like that. So down here, not much stuff. I have the mold killing Clorox, and then the official trash bags. In Korea, you have to use official trash bag for the area that you're living in, the region, I guess you could say. So there's that. There's my plastic trash that I gather here, and then I dispose of them on the 3rd floor in the basement, where that's designated for that. And there's this like official food trash thing that I got when I first moved in here for the region. Because usually you have to have food. Usually you have to have food trash plastic can thing for the region that you live in. But because my building, I live on the 10th floor of an office-tel. They have their own disposal system where you use a card. It's a little bit modern, I guess, so I don't need it, but I'm keeping it just in case when I move out and I decide to move near where I am, I don't have to go through the whole process of trying to get that trash can. So that's that. And we'll move into my fridge. There's some inspirational notes. And there's nothing there. And there's nothing there except some veggies and tofu and fruit that I got. It's gonna be my dinner today. Unless I get hungry, then I guess I could order in something. Honestly, I do order food because I don't really have time, and I only have dinner at home, if that, because I'm always at work, so I would have lunch at work and things like that. So it's my Brita. I love that I got it. I used to order plastic bottles of water, and it was just like way too many plastic bottles, so I got that, and I'm very, very happy about that. Yeah, and there's my tumbler that I told you about, and some miscellaneous items on my island. Inside my island, it's just my beauty stuff. A lot of it is actually at work. There's nothing in this box, but I kept this paper box that I got when I got my Gucci bag, so I can sort of organize my beauty items in there. Once I go through and declutter as well. I have decluttered a lot of beauty supplies as well. And over here are my books. There's some real estate books down there, and you know, my entertainment books. I also had a lot of books. Last year I actually did a thing where I read 1 book a month on average, so 12 books total. But every time I read a book, I'll donate it, give it to someone, or I'll get rid of it, so I'm not carrying around all the stuff. I don't think having books on the bookshelf as a proof of having read them is better than actually reading them. So I just wanted to not be distracted and actually go through the books that I have. So I read this Korean personal finance book. I finished it, but I kept it because it was actually quite useful, so I might refer back to it as an exception of the books that I actually keep. Intelligent Investor, I love this book. I read it about halfway through. It's taught me so much about stocks and things like that. I'm not a speculator, but it's actually good to know what I'm supposed to do with the money once I have more money. But yeah, there's that. And yeah, there's some other books there. I like nonfiction the most. Anyways, let's tour the bathroom before we move on to my closet. So there's my bathroom, there's my slippers. I guess I have 4 pairs of shoes. Yeah, I might declutter that as well later. But the thingamajig, there's toothpaste. And there's soap there, which I'm trying to use up so I can use my Dr. Bronner's. And there's my multi-purpose Dr. Bronner soap. I heard so many rave reviews about this, so I'm really excited. I've already done 1 load of laundry with that soap, and it looks fine. So yeah, it smells fine, whatever. I mean, it doesn't really have a smell, but it seems fine. There's my toilet paper, body lotion, and my toner and essence, I suppose. I don't want this many skincare items, but these were gifts, and that I got for myself. But I do have sensitive skin, so I want to get multi-purpose lotion that would be good for my face and my body. When I run through them, I should be able to get new soap and new lotion and stuff like that. So I'll have to find a good one, a good replacement for those. Anyway, there's that. So we'll move to my shower. It's just a shower. There's a towel, one of two towels that I have. And over here, we have my shampoo, which I will eventually replace with Dr. Bronner's. There's my hair treatment. I think I'll keep buying treatments because I like the way they feel. I know you could replace conditioner treatment using like, I don't know, acid from vinegar and things like that. But I'm just not a fan of vinegar smell, so I think I'm always just gonna get treatment. There's cleansing foam. This one was also a gift. I know I can use Dr. Bronner's for removing, I don't know, makeup as well. So I'm just gonna do that. But first I'm just gonna run through them because why not? And we'll move to my living room. And don't forget the foot mat. And ta-da! A little tour of my living room. It's pretty simple. Another thing about Seoul real estate is a lot of like average apartment. They're actually like mostly just one room and not too big, but this place is actually big for what it is. So there's my bedroom with my blanket. It's actually quite hot because it's summer and I don't like to leave on the AC for too long because, you know, saving money or whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna sleep on that tonight and I will tell you guys how it is because tonight is the first night that I actually got rid of my bed. So I was thinking about getting like a floor mattress thing that was actually thicker, but that blanket served me fine through winter. It's good for winter, but it also feels kind of light, so I will just sleep on that tonight and tell you guys how it goes. There's my fabric wall art of cactus. In case you couldn't tell, I love cactuses. They're my thing. I even have a tattoo of a cactus, but that's another story. There's that, yeah. And there's my drying rack, which I also might get rid of a drying rack because I noticed I don't have that many clothes anymore. So when I do laundry, I don't have that many laundry, so I don't even need both wings. So I could technically just hang these anywhere. Like I don't really need them hanging on the drying rack. I could use a hanger and just hang them on, I don't know, like a doorknob or something like that. So there's that, and there's my weight scale. One thing I want to work on is work on my weight a little bit because I know that I'm lucky in that I have pretty high metabolism, so I've never been like really huge or anything like that, and I'm pretty active. But lately I haven't really been watching what I eat, so that's another thing that I want to do. I want to start taking care of my health a little bit more so I have more energy and then I don't feel as heavy. So yeah, there's my beauty supplies for the mornings. There's internet stuff. Yeah, that's, I don't know what else to say about that. And we'll move to my closet now and we'll start off with my clothing. And I'm telling you, besides what I'm wearing right now, that's everything I own. There's nothing in that suitcase, and that's like a winter lounge pants on the right, and that's everything that I own. A little disclaimer, I did get rid of one big winter coat. I'm gonna use my toe. There's nothing in there. I got rid of some clothes, but mostly because I wasn't really wearing them or I was wearing something else more often. So yeah, I got rid of stuff that I barely wore this winter, so I don't think I'm gonna miss them too much. If I do, I would always find a replacement. I will do some kind of closet tour later, but that's basically what I own. I am seriously thinking about getting rid of this dress though. It actually was over $400. 40몇만 원 in Korean won, but it was a gift and it's expensive. It's Tommy Hilfiger. I like it, but I rarely wear it, and it comes with this white slip-on, which I suppose I could wear as a nightgown, but I don't know, I haven't really found the need for them. So I'm all about comfort these days, and yeah, I kind of regret receiving that as a gift because now I'm too guilty to get rid of it. So anyways, there's that. I'll think about that. And yeah, so that's everything I own. My socks, my underwear. I count my underwear and socks as part of the 240 items, around 240 items that I have. So there's that. And over here we have miscellaneous items. I don't keep anything in my cabinets because then I don't know what I actually own. So I might delusionally think that I don't have a lot of stuff when I actually do. So I don't have my other stuff at my parents' house or anything like that. So these are actually everything that I own. And if I do have some items at other places, it would be something that I just accidentally left there or completely forgot. So anyway, there's my new Gucci bag. Like I said, I like money, I like luxury, I like good items. So yeah, I have no problem wanting a fancy bag as a minimalist, extreme minimalist at that. So, and there's my shades. Oh, I was gonna wear them today, that's why they're out. But they're Balmain shades, they're nice. Whoopsie! And yeah, that's what I do. I drop expensive items all the time. This is why I need as few items as possible, because even the ones that I own, I barely have the energy or time or attention or willpower to take care of them. So yeah, I'm trying to take good care of what I actually have, so I cannot have too many nice things. It's my cross bag. I haven't gotten rid of it, but I also haven't used this item in a long time, but it's like the only light cross bag thing that I have for when I go out, I guess, or go for a walk. And I haven't really gone for a walk lately, that's why probably I haven't used it. We'll see. We'll see if I'm gonna keep that. I might not. There's some masks. Some product, love gel, mascara, some keys, sun cream, and another cleansing foam. These were gifts, that's why I have them. In my nail stuff, I love these. I always pick in my nails and I want to make sure that they're clean. So yeah, there's a USB drive, pen, the whiteout, whatever. That's the only stationery that I have besides some other pens that I might have in this island area. I got some stuff in my backpack, my laptop and things like that. I'm just not gonna go through it right now. Yeah, there's some miscellaneous items, tape, stuff that I use a lot. This is Dr. Bronner pump. I'm gonna put this pump on when I actually start using the soap a lot more. For now, I'm fine just, you know, leaning it and squeezing it out. So this is my mask. My AC, I'm actually quite hot right now, so I'm gonna do that. Yeah, and last but not least, let's move my Joe to the island. Excuse me, I don't want to drop this. Hi, so that was my apartment tour. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!